Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add an admin on Meta Business Suite in just a few quick steps. I'll be showing you this on desktop. First, head to business.facebook.com and log in with your Facebook account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Meta Business Suite dashboard with all your business assets. Now, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. It's in the gray sidebar. You might need to scroll down to find it. When you click it, the Settings panel will open showing various configuration options. In that Settings panel, click on People. This will show you a list of everyone who currently has access to your business account. Next, click the Invite People button. You'll see it at the top left of the screen. This opens up a new window where you'll enter the invitation details. In the email field, type in the email address of the person you want to add as an admin. The email needs to be linked to their Facebook account for this to work, otherwise the system won't recognize them. If you want to set an expiry date for their access, toggle on temporary access, otherwise, leave it off for permanent access, then click Next. Now you'll see the access level options. Choose full control if you want them to have complete admin authority. You can also pick partial access or task access if you want to limit what they can do. Click Next once you've made your selection. On the next screen, select which business assets they should be able to access. This includes your Facebook pages, ad accounts, tracking pixels, and any other assets managed through Meta Business Suite. Check the boxes for everything they need access to. After that, review all your selections on the summary screen. Double-check the email address, access level, and assigned assets to make sure everything's correct, then click Next. Finally, click Send Invitation to send the invite. The person will receive an email with a link to accept. The invitation stays active for 30 days, so they'll need to accept it before then. Until they do, you'll see their status listed as pending. They can accept either through the email link or by visiting your business page directly. Once they accept, they'll have the access level and permissions you assigned to those specific business assets. One more thing, you'll need to have admin or full control access yourself to add someone else as an admin. If you don't see these options, check with whoever manages your business account. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.